Hey everybody, today I want to talk about things to keep in the back of your car when it's really cold outside, just to make sure you're prepared in case anything happens. Great idea, always keep an extra blanket in the back of the car. Make sure you have a heavy coat, gloves, and a hat. Those are some major things you want to keep in case something does happen and you have to walk anywhere. A few other things to keep in the car are snacks, flashlight, jumper cables, and also a little tip for everybody. In the wintertime when it's this cold outside, you always want to make sure your gas tank is at least a quarter tank or above. One, in case you run into an issue where the car breaks down but it runs, you can at least keep the heat going. And two, anything below a quarter tank in extreme cold temperatures, the fuel or gasoline can gel and cause the car to break down. So you always want to keep it above a quarter tank. Also, another tip, anytime you're filling up your vehicle, whenever it clicks once, stop. Anytime you click more than that, it actually can cause damage to your car. Any other questions you have or concerns you have, feel free to stop by anytime, Monday through Friday, 7 to 6, Saturday, 8 to 3. We're always here. We're always happy to help and help you be successful in the wintertime.